Hi everyone, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab, your trusted place for simple and practical tech tips. In today's quick tutorial, we'll walk through how to block text messages on Android, a useful feature that helps you stop spam messages, unwanted promotions, or texts from people you no longer want to hear from. Open the Messages app on your Android device. This is the main place where all your SMS and MMS conversations are stored. From here, you can read messages, send replies, and manage your conversations easily. Next, scroll through your list of conversations and locate the message thread from the number or contact that you want to block. Once you find it, press and hold long press on that conversation. This action will select the message thread and reveal additional options in the top menu. After selecting the conversation, see the corner of the screen and tap on the More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several actions you can perform. Now, tap on Block or Block Number. Your phone may ask Tap Block again to confirm. Once you do this, the selected number will be blocked and you will no longer receive text messages from that contact. Blocking messages is a great way to keep your inbox clean and avoid annoying or suspicious texts. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow us for more easy Android tips and smart tech tutorials. Stay safe, stay smart, and enjoy your tech.